How to reduce PDF file size without any external software. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So we will be utilizing the inbuilt software of Windows, and it is Adobe Acrobat Reader. You can find it quite easily on your Windows, and after that just open up your PDF file in Acrobat Reader, and after that go to the option of file, then click on the option of save as, and over there you will be able to find the option of reduce size PDF. Just simply select it, then select the option of make compatible with. Now select the option of Acrobat 4.0 and later, then select the option of OK. Now you can choose the location where you want to save this particular file and change its name according to your preference. Then just simply click on the option of save, and this is how easy it is to resize your PDF files. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.